welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. A lot of people have been asking me, how can you send money from Nigeria or Ghana using PayPal, and also how can you receive money with your PayPal account in Nigeria? So the thing is, if you are from Nigeria or Ghana, you cannot receive money on your PayPal account, but in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to receive money on your PayPal account. So ensure that you follow me to the end of this video. Well, as you can see on the screen, the title is Send Money from Nigeria or Ghana to Other Countries Using PayPal. So naturally, if you have a PayPal account with the Nigerian number or identity, or the Ghanaian number and identity, you'll be able to send, but you will not be able to receive. But in this video, I'll teach you how to send and also how to receive. So for you to be able to create an account that can perform both functions, all you need to do is first go to your browser. You can use Chrome is better, or you use the Firefox browser. Currently I use the Firefox browser, so I'm just going to go to my Firefox browser right now, and I am going to type the address paypal.com/ls paypal.com/ls. So you click on continue. So once you click on continue, it brings you to this home page. If you are not seeing this home page, then you are doing something absolutely wrong. So as you can see, this is what it brings. So all you need to do is open a business account. If you want to open a full-fledged PayPal account that can receive funds also from abroad, then this is for you. So what you need to do is click on open a business account right here, and once you click on it, it will take you to another interface. Another thing you can do is to click on this menu hamburger symbol there, and as you can see, you see personal, you see business, so that's it, and you can see sign up. So all you just need to do is click on open a business account. So I click on open a business account, and it will take me to another page. So right now, as it loads, so all you need to do is enter a valid email address you would use to sign up. So let me enter an email address. Let's say graphics designer 3, okay, graphics designer 5 at gmail.com. I'm using this as a sample. So all I need to do is click on continue. So as you can see, signing up for a business account, I will need to enter a password. So once you enter your password, you click on continue. So all you need to do is to input your business contact name, input your organization's legal name, and input your business phone number and your business address. So once you input it, let's say, okay, business contact, legal given name, let's say my name is Chris Aqua. So under this phone number, you need to click on this icon here and change it from this Lesotho prefix to the country of your choice. So I am opening this account from Nigeria, so I will need to scroll down and choose Nigeria. So if you are from Ghana, all you need to do is scroll down and click on Ghana. But since I'm from Nigeria, I click on Nigeria. So this is Ghana here plus 233. But since I'm from Nigeria, I will have to choose Nigeria. So this is Nigeria right here. So once I choose Nigeria, I input my business phone number. Then remember to input your organization's legal name. So let me put graphics by Aqua. then input your address and ensure you leave the primary currency under the US dollar. So once you do that, all you need to do next is to click on this box here. You check it. Once you check it, then you click on agree and continue. So I click on agree and continue. So once I click on agree and continue, it will take me to this place where I choose my business type. So individual or sole proprietorship, corporation. So you choose individual. You can put your product or service keyword and put graphics design, or you can put professional service. So let me just say professional service. You can input your website, it is optional. Then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, you enter your date of birth, your nationality, and your current residential address. So as for me, I would tick on same as organization address. So change your nationality from Lesotho to Nigeria or Ghana. So this method works if PayPal is banned in your country. If you cannot receive funds on your PayPal account, then you need to follow these steps. So once you put Nigeria, you click on the identity document and you select the one that is available. Let me use national ID. I'm going to enter a random national ID. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, then I input the date of birth. Let me input anything, 19. So all you need to do is click on submit. So once you click on submit, it brings you to this page. So welcome, you've already created your PayPal account. So as you can see, this interface here, you can see request and send funds, send an invoice. So this is how to open a full-fledged PayPal account. On the normal Nigeria or Ghana PayPal account, you cannot request funds. You can only send funds out. So you can see you set up your payments and the likes. So that is how to open a PayPal account. Now, how do you send your PayPal money to people in other countries? So all you need to do is click on this hamburger sign above, or you can just click on this PayPal symbol right here at the top to go to your home page. So once I click on it, it will take me to my PayPal dashboard. So as you can see, I have an available balance of $0.00 US. So you can see confirm email address and link debit or credit card. So the next step you need to take is to link a debit or credit card. So if you are from Nigeria, you can link your MasterCard or your Visa card, but this is selective. So I advise you use a card that is actually working. You use a dollar card. If you don't have a dollar card, you can go to your bank and ask them for a dollar card. So what you do is click on link and confirm debit card. So you can click on see details. Once you click on see details, it will take you to another page where you can link your credit card. So you click on link a credit card and it will tell you to input your card type. So this is where you put your credit card number, your card type, and everything. So once you've done that, all you need to do is click on link card. So once you click on link card, the next step is they are going to send you a code. They are going to send you a code, and on that code you would see four numbers. Those four numbers are what you use to verify your card. So once you've done that, you can now come and send. So right now I'll be going straight to my normal PayPal account and teach you how to send funds out of your account. So welcome back. Here I am on my normal account. Let me refresh so you can see that this is actually my account. So I have a PayPal balance of 63.27. So how do you receive money on this PayPal account? all you need to do is to send this PayPal email, the email you used in opening PayPal, send it to the person that wants to send you money from anywhere in the world. So once they send you money, it will automatically get transferred to the account. So if I show you my history, you can see I received a payment on June 16, a payment of 6.65. I received a payment on June 12 of $35, payment from, and you can see payment 2. So that's it about receiving money from on your PayPal account, and it works perfectly. So now, what if I want to send money from my PayPal account to another person abroad? So all I need to do is to request the person's PayPal email address or phone number. So the email address is just fine. Once you collect the person's email address, all you need to do is log into your PayPal account using paypal.com/ls and come to your dashboard. By now, I believe you must have opened your PayPal account and linked your card, your dollar card. So all you need to do is, when you are on this dashboard, you need to click on these 3 icons, these 3 dots right here. So once you click on it, it will give you 2 options: send or request money, or go to money page. So from there you can send and receive money. The other way you can also send and receive money is to click on this hamburger sign right here. So once you click on it, it will bring you series of options. So all you need to do now is to click on tools. You see tools here. So once you click on tools, you see invoicing, request money, resolution center, and send money. So invoicing, that's where you can send invoice to people. All you need is their email address, then you can send an invoice to them. Then for the request money, you also need the email address. Then you can request money from people within and outside your country. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending money. So I click on send money. So once I click on send money, it brings me to this interface. So all I need to do is enter the email address I want to send money from. So I want to send the money to. So I'm entering this email address. Once I enter it, I click on continue. So you need to input the amount that you want to send to this person. So I'll be sending 11.02 US dollars, 11.12 actually. So I'll be sending 11.12. So here you can change the currency you want to send. So if I click on it, you can see different type of currencies, but I'm leaving it in US dollars. Then here you can add a note for the person, like thanks and the likes, whatever you want the person to get. But in my case, I'm not adding any note. So all I need to do is click on continue. So once I click on continue, it loads and brings me to this interface. So right here is the shipping address. Right here is the shipping address. If it is a business deal and you want somebody to ship, this will be your address, and I believe you must have entered it while creating your PayPal. But in this case, I want to set it to no address. So once I set it to no address, now you can see right here, it's asking me you are sending with. So there are 2 options of sending. You can send with PayPal balance, and you can send with your card. So as you can see, I can send with my Visa card or send with my PayPal balance. So whichever I want to use, I'll click on it. But I have money on my PayPal balance, so I'm sending from my PayPal balance. So 11.12. So all I need to do is click on send payments now right below. So it loads, and yes, we are there. It says you have sent 11.12 US dollars to this email address. So all you need to send money is the recipient's email address. So that's it. Let me go to my home page by clicking the PayPal symbol at the top, and as you can, and you would see that the money would have been deducted. As you can see, this is 52.12, and this is the recent transaction which was made. So guys, that's how to send money from Nigeria or Ghana to any person in the world, so far they have a PayPal account. So just to work things around, just to go around this, like I said that time, I told you about these tools. I told you about the invoicing and requesting money. So let's see what requesting money is. So I click on request money. So you can always request money from people. So all you need to do is click on the person's email address. Once you click on the person's email address, let's say I want to request from aquatech@gmail.com. So I've added that person. So you can add as many people as possible. That's it for requesting. And for sending invoice, let me click on tools again. You click on invoicing. So once you click on invoicing, it will load. Once it loads, you can always create an invoice. So how do you create an invoice? You would see this plus arrow icon down here. That's where you click. Once you click on it, it will open a page where you can send a quick invoice, create an invoice. So all you need to click on is create an invoice. So once you click on create an invoice, it will open a page where you can input the details of the invoice. Let's say you want to receive money for a service or an item. So you input the person's name, input the person's email address, then you click on the add item. You can send the note to the customer, and under see more option right here, you can customize it. Okay, let me add an email address. Okay, so under see more option, you can see you can put the terms and conditions, and you can put the due date. You can put the due date for the invoice. So you can also allow partial payments by clicking this gray toggle, clicking it, so you can see allow partial payments, then you input it. So it is very flexible, guys. It is very flexible. You can always receive and send money on this PayPal account. Please, guys, if you followed me to the end of this video, thank you very much, and I plead for your support. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I post deep videos about making money online. So guys, till we meet again, stay safe and be good.